So here I am at the Birds Hill Dairy Queen. It's still in the process of construction, and they're hoping to open up at the end of the month, so that would be June or July 2022. And this is how beautiful it looks. Let's see, here are the washrooms. Yeah, I'm finding my way around as I take you on this little video. And this is where the seating will be, the eating area. And here is the takeout window, so the drive-through, I mean. And this would be maybe where the counter is, where they sell you items. And perhaps there'll be a counter here, I don't know. And this will be where all the frozen cakes will be. So isn't that exciting? So can't wait to see it. I think it looks beautiful already. Can't wait. And this is what it looks like outside. Let's just take a walk out here. Here, it's still in construction, so I'll step way down. It's right next to Sobeys. So this is what it looks like. And there's the drive-through there. So pretty exciting stuff, hey? And they're gonna have grand opening and all kinds of specials, so we'll be watching for our mailboxes for the invite.